Today's topic is to find the triplets in the list using a given sum value for it. So there are three methods to find it. First is using the for loop, second is using the hashing, and the third is using the sort. Let's start with the first method using the for loop. Here we are going to define a function named find triplets passing the three arguments, which is an array, an integer up to the length of the array, and then the sum, which we have to find using the triplets for it. After that, we have some nested for loops over here. The range of the for loops gets increasing by plus 1 for it. As you can see, for I in the range from 0 to n minus 2, while coming towards in the next for loop, which is the j, the range gets of an I incremented by 1, and for the k it again get incremented by plus 1, which is g plus 1 up to the n. And in that we have placed a condition, that is, if the array of an I, j and to the k gets equal to the sum, then we are going to print that element in our array for it. And after that we are having an outside of the function, and here we are going to input for it. Now you might be wondering why I have taken the map and integer in a different way, right? Because the thing is, if I take the integer over here, which is from the starting of it, it's going to give me an error because it will not going to accept the minus 1. So I have used the map function for it, so it can accept minus 1 or minus 2, I mean all sort of the negative integers for it. And then the length of the array, which I've stored into n, and the sum. Let me show you an example. Let's do an array which is 0, minus 1, minus 2, 3, and minus 3 to take all sort of the possibilities for it. And let's say I need minus 1, then there we go. We have find 4 triplets whose sum can be minus 1 of it.